How do we get patients to be engaged within clinical trials? Well, with the advent and popularity of mobile devices as well as the web, we now have many more technologies available for us. One of the first things about clinical research is to find the potential candidates that satisfy the criteria. So this app can record information such as age, weight, and any other profiling attributes. The next issue that this app tries to solve is educating patients. So the app can inform patients about their disease state, the progress of trials, or any related news. We also want to engage patients. This is done by having a chat type of functionality built into the app so then patients can access their clinical trial coordinators at any time of the day. Because all of the data is actually stored on the Salesforce.com platform, ultimately this allows researchers to be able to track the progress of their trials and empowers patients because patients will feel more engaged and everybody will benefit more from the clinical trials. Let's look at the application. The paradigm followed by the application is a landing screen. There's a bunch of icons, and this application follows a responsive design based on Twitter's Bootstrap. So you can from the home page and click directly on the icons into areas such as news of the day. The purpose of news of the day really is to get the patients engaged and coming back into the app. All the functionality available is a calendar, so the patient will easily know when they need to go to particular appointments rather than flip through the paper calendars. The next module is a medication or treatment tracker. The end user can easily record when they've taken the last medication, in which case it will show up on the home page and they may get a reminder. In this case, since you just took the medication, then the counter has been reset. Lastly, there's also a discussion section of the application based on the Salesforce chatter architecture, in which case here are some messages from the administrator of the trial. Okay. Upon going back to the home screen, the end user will get messages that are updated. For example, here's another fourth message coming in. Let's take a look at the iPhone interface. Looks mostly the same except for by using Twitter's Bootstrap architecture, it is a responsive design that resizes according to the screen. The menu is not across the top, instead it's drop down, and the icons now are tiling vertically. Most of the other pages look the same except for it fits the form factor of an iPhone. Likewise, medication treatment screen. Data entry is a little bit simpler on the iPhone. Here's the chat functionality as mentioned. So by selecting the particular trial, the end user has all the information on the portable mobile device. Another interesting feature with phones would be the Salesforce platform can send SMS messages. In this case, it's through the platform called Twilio. It's a trial version, so there are some limitations, but with a full-blown version that's licensed, then SMS is an excellent way of getting messages out to your end user.